Now let's go ahead and take a look at the site navigation within our course. I'm going to start, even though you've clicked on the site navigation link on the Start Here page, I'm going to go ahead and start at our home page. Now, all these links on the left is the navigation bar. We have our home screen, which includes just our basic information and our Start Here page, contact information, our Start Here page. There's some important information about student support. Page provides online facts and technology support and so on and so on. Information for students with disabilities. Also important links are located on our first home page. Also our learning modules are linked up on our first page as well. Computer concepts, Windows Web, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Access. Now on the left we have announcements, and I'll be sending announcements weekly, if not more often. Our syllabus link, the modules that we have in this course, and we'll go through these one by one. Our assignments, discussions, grades, and so forth. So on the navigation initially, let's go to Start Here. And then on this page, you've already reviewed the course welcome, the Getting Started video, Netiquette. We had Canvas navigation, and we have the course site navigation. This is the link that you've clicked on to check out the navigation within our course. Okay, so just wanted to continue. We had the rest of the Start Here with reviewing the syllabus, getting your books, entering the discussion, entering a short bio in the discussion modules, our schedule, and then our computer concepts module. Now, let's start here. Let me go ahead and go to computer concepts right away. Now, remember, that's under home, and you'll see these modules linked under the home page. Our computer concepts page, every page talks about the dates the assignments are due and the dates that we'll be working on the module within, the directions, goals, resources, assignment grading, how to start completing the assignments for each particular module, the assignments themselves, and in this case it ends with the assignments themselves. On the Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Access modules, there will be an end of module project as well. Let me scroll back to the top. Now, and I'll go through this and then this module in more detail. So part 1, remember part 1, our text is broken into two parts, part 1 and part 2, chapters 1 through 7. These are the dates that we'll be working on this particular module. And all the assignments within this module will be due Tuesday, September 6th at midnight. Now go ahead and read the directions. We talk about the text with two parts. We talk about the purpose of the unit's instructional material, what it's supposed to do, what you're supposed to learn from this. We talk about discussions, online quizzes, and projects. And then complete the required discussion, project, online quiz, and skills assignment. All of these assignments are individual, and so on and so on. Read through this. Now, how to complete the projects, it talks about that. How to complete the skills assignments. Okay, there's discussion on that. Now, how to complete the online quiz assignments. Make sure you read this thoroughly and go to the link and the steps in order to access the online quizzes. There's also tech support for Paradigm, and there's also the magnifier, Zoom text, and so on that students with disabilities can use. And then we also have another component, how to complete the discussions. Okay, so under our course goals, understand key information technology concepts, we have module goals and we have competencies. Our resources are broken up always into instructional videos and then student data file downloads. So there aren't any student data file downloads with the first module. There are with all of the others. Okay, so instructional videos, creating a folder structure for student data files and assignments. and then how to complete and submit computer concepts projects, review that. These are short videos, usually 5 to 7 minutes. How to complete the discussions assignment, review that. How to download and save student data files, how to do the skills assignments, how to submit assignments, and then how to access and complete online chapter quizzes. So make sure you review these videos moving into this first chapter, or this first section, module. The assignment grading is listed for projects, skills, online quizzes, and discussions. How to start, read chapter 1 from part 1. Okay. Download and review part 1, chapter 1 PowerPoint. So there's a PowerPoint with each one of these modules as well, and chapters typically. Review the instructional videos. Complete part 1, chapter 1 assignments, and so on. And then repeat steps 1 through 4 for each of the additional chapters, 2 through 7. All right. The assignments then. Living in a Digital World, Chapter 1, Project 3. Remember, this is from Part 1 of the text. The Information Processing Cycle from page 27, from Part 1, and then submit the file as C1 Project 3 IP cycle. Dash team, page evaluation, and then your name on Canvas. You don't necessarily have to, you need to be descriptive on the name. This is very descriptive. This is what I would like to see. But some variation is okay. You're not going to lose points because you didn't title it that. There are some additional directions. Make sure that you read all of the directions. And then we go on with Concepts Chapter 1 Online Quiz. There are no assignments from Chapter 2, but then from Computer Hardware there's a project and an online quiz. Chapter 4, there's a discussion and an online quiz. Chapter 5, Application Software Project, Licensing and Distribution Project, but no online quiz. Chapter 6, no assignments. Chapter 7, Project 1, and Chapter 7, Project 2, no online quizzes. Okay, so that's what that looks like. I'm going to go to Word quickly, and then what we'll see is the same thing. Part 2, Chapter 6 and 7, the due dates, the module dates, the due date, the directions, and some of this is redundant, of course. How to complete an online quiz. We have our goals. We have our module resources. Notice we have instructional videos, many of the same, but we also have student data file downloads. So you'll want to, if you bought a used text without the DVD, you can download the student data files and then make sure you take a look at the video, how to download and save student data files. Assignment grading is the same, how to start and do the assignments. And then we have the discussion under the assignments, Chapter 6. We have Chapter 7. And then we have a Word project, and we have projects with Excel, PowerPoint, and Access as well. The number of points, due dates, the instructions, an example, either an example in a PDF or video in other modules. We have our project objectives, and then we have basically the requirements, the directions. So you can see what changing your margins to the following is worth 4 points. Title page, 4 points, and so on and so on. So it's very objective. You can see exactly how I grade these particular assignments. Okay, now what I'm going to do at this point in time, hopefully that's clear. All of these modules follow the same structure. You can click to go to announcements. You can click to go to the syllabus. Okay, so we have the modules listed. We have a syllabus overview video, a print-friendly version of the syllabus, and you can see the syllabus that we our syllabus for the semester. Under modules, we can see we have the start here, and then computer concepts and all the assignments within that. We have our Windows Web and Office, the page and the assignments, Word, the module, the pages or the assignments within the module, and so on. Under assignments, this is where you submit those assignments. And there's a number of different ways to get to the assignments to submit them. You can just go ahead and go to assignments and then click, and the video tells you how to do this, or shows you how to do this. You can go ahead and click on a particular assignment and submit that. Our discussions can be found here. And then we'll have the short biography first. We have a contact your instructor, and then our discussions throughout the semester. Which OS is better, computer and personal information security, than contrasting and comparing office suites. We also have our grades listed, that you can go ahead and see what your grades are, score out of so many. And then we have the evaluation, the people in our course, and then admin course evaluation and student help. So I don't just understand. That'll basically conclude the overall navigation of this course. Understand that within each module there are additional instructional videos that can help you with each of the smaller pieces, downloading and extracting student data files, setting up directory structure for your homework, those sorts of things. So make sure you review those videos, those instructional videos on each of the modules. You have student data files out there through most of your modules. Always remember, you can contact me if you have any questions or comments. And thank you very much. This is how to navigate our site. Thank you.